Alright guys, welcome back to Neeker Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
And today we're finally going to start working on the Raptor, putting it back together.
Alright guys, we got a lot of stuff to do today. We had to take everything off and put it on that thing.
Sounds good.
A lot of little work, but at least hopefully it's gonna roll today. Hopefully we can roll it out and maybe put the engine in. That'd be great.
Yeah, we still got a lot of work to do before we put the engine in, sure. But
yeah, we gotta replace the
oil pan.
We got a new one from the dealer. We gotta go pick that up. And then they had this part at the dealership too. We ordered it, so he said it came in. We gotta go pick it up. So he said it should just swap out, replace it.
Yep. We don't want to use our parts card because we want to keep it as a set. I mean, if we take the oil pan off that engine, it's basically done with. And if we take that off, that's kind of over. So we just bought some new parts, little things here and there, but it's not a big deal.
Good, let's get to it.
All right guys, and also for the giveaway, we have this frame. No, I'm just kidding, we need a frame. We gotta put it together. But we actually do have giveaways at the end of the video. Make sure to comment Raptor and like this video. We really appreciate if you share it, get it out there. We appreciate your support, that'd be fantastic. So stay tuned, see what we have for the giveaway. Hope you enjoy the episode.
Also, you guys have to subscribe, Michael.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Subscribe, like the video, share the video, and follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
It's that simple.
Pretty
Well,
simple.
let's get to it. Let's get back to work.
So I was about to transfer over my first piece, and the bolt hole's different. The pattern's off. What? So either I gotta drill a hole or use the old one. Right there, that guy. This one bolted up nicely. Alright guys, so the progress is going. We're getting a lot of stuff done. We got the gas tank on, wire harness, brake lines, rear def, the wheels are on. Really happy about it. It's going together really smoothly. But like I said in the beginning, I was kind of worried because the first thing I tried to put on didn't fit. The whole pattern is off and I was like, man, what about everything else? Is the frames different? You never know what you're gonna run into, but so far it's pretty good. Everything's bolted up nicely, so no modification needed. But we're gonna keep going. We gotta get the front suspension together. We'll get the tires on there, engine mounts, and then get the engine transmission on there as well.
Yeah, so we got the new part ready installed.
Yeah, that came in nicely. Broken. The rod inside wasn't bent, so that's nice. The shaft, so we're good there.
We got the rack and pinion, the inner tie rod fixed.
Boom.
So, it's coming along.
All right, Adam, what are we doing?
Change the oil pan.
I know, we don't sound so excited. Yeah, change the oil pan.
Probably one of the easier ones to do.
Yeah. Definitely. Conveniently hanging around.
Oh no. It's too windy.
So this is what it takes to do an oil change.
The right way. Pull the engine out. No. Hopefully after this we'll put the engine in, so and we're like halfway there.
Alright, so you have everything else together.
Check out the new, I haven't opened it yet. Brand new from the dealer.
All right, here we go. Going down on the ground. Off the lift.
And rolling away.
Rolling away. First time being suspended by itself.
Looks good.
Yeah, got the engine in, transmission. Woo. Got a lot done today. Happy with it. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. We got a lot done. It's looking pretty good. It just feels nice to actually put parts on and move forward instead of just tearing down, getting things clean. We're actually making progress, putting it on, and don't have to take it off. That's nice.
Yeah. So a lot of progress. We're super happy about it. We got the engine in, no issues. We changed the oil pan. We changed that case thing in the front differential. It went smooth and easy. We're ready to start working on the cab.
Yeah.
Start switching everything over, and then start working on the Bondo, on the dents.
Yeah, do some body work on the doors, everything. Yeah, for sure. There's still a lot of work to do. That cab, I'm gonna have fun. It's a lot of work, but
okay. We're gonna get to it, and before you know, we're gonna start it and drive it.
Oh yeah, and getting closer to being on the road.
Oh yeah. Before we go, let's go pick our giveaway winners.
All right. Hey guys, all right, time to find that winner. Here we go. Preload the comments. We have.
How many, Michael?
833.
Wow.
That's not bad, not bad. We just post that video. All right, let's find our first winner. 3, 2, 1. Bill Beavis, good job. Raptor getting closer day by day. We are. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're getting a lot of work done after today. We felt really nice getting it all together. Congrats, you did right. We'll see if you're subscribed. Hopefully you can follow us on Instagram. We appreciate it.
And share the video.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Get it out there, guys. We appreciate it. All right, our second winner. Let's do it. Cameron Clifford, Comment Raptor. Perfect. That's all we need to do. We'll send that out to you. And then our final winner. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Raptor's in there. Now you have 2 Raptors. Fuse 27 relocation. I was always wondering about that.
I looked that up. We'll do it.
Yeah? All right, that sounds good. Since we have it all apart, it's a good idea. We appreciate the support, comments.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds good. All right, Mike Green, congrats. You won the 3rd sign. We actually already sent all them out, so I don't have any with me. But we'll make some more. It's not a problem. And we'll get those to you. So go ahead and comment Raptor below in this video. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. We'll go from there.